Locked out of the flat.
Oh, are you all right out here?
Um, I am locked out.
Locked out? Where are your keys?
Inside. On the table, I think.
Classic. Did the door shut behind you?
Yes, very fast. Very loud.
They do that.
I go for milk. 2 minutes.
2 minutes is all it takes.
Now I stand here with milk.
Have you got a spare key?
Spare means second key.
Yes, an extra one somewhere.
My friend has, but he works.
Can you ring him?
Ring. This means call?
Same thing. We say ring here.
Ah, yes. I ring him now.
Or try the landlord first.
Landlord. The owner man?
That's him. Have you got his number?
Somewhere in my phone, maybe.
Have a look. I'll wait.
My phone is 8%.
Of course it is.
Today is not my day.
Come in. Charge it at mine.
Really? Is not problem?
Not at all. The kettle's on anyway.
Kettle, you make tea?
Always. It's the British answer.
Answer for locked door?
Answer for everything, love.
Then yes, thank you very much.
Flat 4. Mind the step.
Mind the step means careful?
Careful, yes. Especially that one.
Oh, you are right.
Everyone finds it eventually.
First day at a new job. You must be the new one.
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome, I'm Wesley. I sit there.
Nice to meet you. I am Ivy.
Did you find us okay?
Find you the building?
Yeah, the address. Some people get lost.
I walk twice around, then I see door.
That everybody does that.
Good, I feel better.
So your desk is right here.
This one? With the plant?
That plant is nearly dead. Sorry.
I can save it, maybe.
Then you're already useful.
What time is the break?
Lunch is around 12:30.
12:30. And I bring food?
Most people do. There's a fridge.
Fridge, the cold box, yes?
That's it. Put your name on things.
Put my name. Why?
People steal yogurt. It's a real problem.
Steal yogurt in office?
Trust nobody.
Okay, I write big name.
Smart. Any questions so far?
Many, but I forget them all.
That's normal. Just ask me anytime.
Any time? Even small question?
Especially small ones.
Ah, thank you. I was worried.
First week is always weird.
Weird means strange?
Strange, yeah. Then it's fine.
I hope so.
Meeting starts in 5, by the way.
5 minutes now?
Grab a coffee. You'll need it. At the barber. Right. What are we doing today?
Just a little bit shorter.
A trim, then. How much off?
Off? You mean cut away?
How much shall I cut?
This much? 2 fingers?
2 fingers. Got it.
Not more. Please, not more.
Haha, bad haircut in the past?
Very bad. Last summer.
Say no more.
Say no more means you understand?
Exactly. I understand completely.
Good. I trust you.
Do you want the ends tidied?
Ends? The bottom part?
The bottom, they're a bit rough.
Rough. Not smooth. Yes, tidy them.
And keep the length on top?
Keep length. Yes, please keep.
No problem. Wash first?
Wash is extra money?
It's included. Don't worry.
Then yes, thank you.
Water too hot? Tell me.
Is perfect. Very nice.
Any plans for the weekend?
Plans. My sister comes.
Nice. From far away?
From London. Long train.
She'll like the new hair.
She always says something.
Sisters do. Mine as well.
What'd she say to you?
You're a barber. Fix your own head.
She is not wrong.
Haha. Careful. I've got scissors.
Sorry, I stopped talking.
Buying a SIM card.
Hiya. Looking for anything?
Yes, I need SIM card.
Sure. Pay as you go or monthly?
What is difference?
Pay as you go, you top up.
Top up. I add money?
Yes, whenever you want. No contract.
Contract. This is the paper?
The agreement. 12 months usually.
12 months is long. I stay 6.
Then pay as you go suits you.
Suits me means is good for me?
Exactly right.
How much data I get?
£10 gives you 20 gig.
20 gig. This is enough?
Depends. Do you watch videos?
Many videos. Too many.
Then take the bigger one.
Bigger one. How much?
£15. Unlimited data.
Unlimited means never finish?
Never finishes. Same every month.
That is good deal.
It is, honestly.
And calls to home country?
Where's home, sorry?
Poland. My mother calls me daily.
Then you definitely need unlimited.
You understand my life.
Have you got ID with you?
ID. Passport is okay?
Passport's perfect. I'll register it.
Register. You put my name?
Your name, yeah. Takes a minute.
Okay. And it works today?
Straight away. Pop it in now.
Pop it in. This small hole?
Give it here. I'll do it.
Reporting a noisy neighbor. Morning. Something on your mind?
Yes, it is about noise.
Okay, which apartment?
Above me. Number 412.
And what kind of noise?
Music. Very loud. Every night.
Every night? What time, roughly?
After midnight. Sometimes until 3.
That's too late. That's not allowed.
Not allowed. There is a rule?
Quiet hours, 10 p.m. to 8.
Quiet hours. I did not know.
It's in your lease, page 4.
Lease. My rent paper?
Your rental agreement, yeah.
Ah, I read it slowly. Sorry.
No, it's long. Nobody reads it.
That makes me feel better.
Have you spoken to them?
I knock once. Nobody opens.
Fair enough. I'll speak to them.
You speak, not me?
That's my job, don't worry.
Thank you. I sleep badly.
How long has this gone on?
3 weeks, maybe 4.
That's a long time to wait.
I don't like to complain.
This isn't complaining. This is normal.
Normal? I can ask for help?
Always. That's why I'm here.
Will they know it is me?
No names. It stays between us.
Between us. Only you and me?
Only us, I promise.
Okay, then I feel okay.
Give me 2 days.
2 days. And if music continues?
Then you come straight back here. At the vet with a civet pet.
Hello, who have we got here?
This is Pepper, my cat.
Hello, Pepper. What's wrong today?
She is not normal. Very quiet.
Quiet. Since when?
2 days, maybe 3.
Is she eating?
Small. Very small amount.
Drinking water?
Yes, Water is okay.
That's good. Any sickness?
Sickness means she vomit?
Yes, sorry. Bringing food back up.
One time, yesterday morning.
Okay. Is she sleeping more?
All the day, under the bed.
Under the bed. That tells me something.
Something bad?
Not necessarily. Cats hide when unwell.
Hide. They go away?
They disappear. It's very common.
I was so worried.
You did the right thing coming. How old is she, you ask? Yes, please. How old?
29 years. Almost 10.
Lovely age. Let's have a look.
She does not like hands.
None of them do.
Careful. She is fast.
I've met faster. Don't worry.
What you do now?
Check her temperature and her tummy.
Tummy, the stomach.
The stomach, yes. Softer word.
Tummy, I like this word.
Hold her gently. Talk to her.
Talk? What I say?
Anything. She just wants your voice.
Okay. Pepper, it is fine.
Perfect. Keep going. She's already calmer.
Returning a library book late. Hi there. Returning something?
Yes, but it is late.
How late are we talking?
11 days?
11. Okay, not terrible.
Not terrible. I felt awful.
People bring books back after years.
Years? Really years?
One came back after 19.
Then I am good person.
You're a model citizen.
Model citizen. This is a joke?
Half a joke. Let me scan it.
Do I pay a fine?
We dropped fines 2 years ago.
Dropped means finished. No more?
No more fines. Just bring them back.
Oh, that is such relief.
You looked so nervous.
I was all morning.
Did you finish the book?
Half. My English is slow.
Want to renew it?
Renew. Keep it longer?
3 more weeks. 1 click.
Yes, please. 3 weeks.
Done. Anything else today?
Can you show easy books?
Easy readers. 2nd floor, left side.
2nd floor left. Okay.
Ask for Priya up there.
Sorry, I only see you today.
Fair. Then ask anyone.
I will. Thank you very much.
Keep your card safe.
My card? Oh no.
Left it at home?
In the book. Inside the book.
Then you never lost it.
The taxi that never arrives.
You all right? You've been waiting ages.
Yes, 25 minutes now.
Taxi not turned up?
Turned up means arrive?
Arrive, yeah. Where's your driver?
The app says 2 minutes.
It said that the whole time?
20 times. Always 2 minutes.
Classic. It always lies.
I believe it every time.
Have you tried calling him?
Call? On the phone? Speaking?
Just say where you're standing.
I don't know street name.
You're on Hardman Street, by the bank.
Hardman Street, by the bank.
Okay. Say that. He'll find you.
And if he talks fast?
Say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that? Good phrase.
Works with everyone, even my mom.
Especially your mom?
Especially my mom.
Wait, the app says canceled.
He canceled? After all that?
After 25 minutes.
Did they charge you?
Charge, take my money?
For canceling, yeah. Check it.
£3.50.
they take it.
Complain, you'll get it back.
Complain, I write to them?
In the app, takes 1 minute.
My English for complaining is bad.
Write, driver canceled after long wait.
Driver canceled after long wait.
Perfect. Send it.
Sent. And now how I go home?
Bus stop's right there. Number 86.
25 minutes for that.
Joining a gym. Hey, here to sign up?
Maybe. I want information first.
Smart. What are you looking for?
Just exercise. Not too hard.
Got it. 2 or 3 times a week?
2. Honest answer is 2.
I appreciate the honesty.
I know myself very well.
Then the basic plan is enough.
Basic plan, how much money?
$35 a month.
35. And there is joining fee?
Usually $50. Free this week.
Free? Really? This week?
Ends Sunday. Lucky timing.
Lucky timing. Good for me.
Want to see the place first?
Yes, please. Quick look.
Waits downstairs, classes upstairs.
Classes. With a teacher?
An instructor, yeah, included in the price.
Included. I like this word.
Yoga, spin, boxing, all levels.
All levels. Also beginner?
Especially beginners.
I am very beginner.
Everyone starts somewhere.
One question. Important question.
Go ahead.
Can I cancel anytime?
1 month's notice, that's all.
Notice. I tell you before?
Tell us 30 days early. Simple.
Not 12 months contract.
No contract. You're free.
Then, okay, I join.
Awesome. Want a free trial first?
Free trial. I try before pay?
3 days. Starting now?
Now I wear jeans.
Asking a neighbor to take a parcel.
Hello. Everything all right?
Sorry to bother you.
No bother. What's up?
I have small favor to ask.
Go on then.
Tomorrow, a parcel comes.
And you're out?
Out all day, working late.
Want me to take it in?
Yes, that is my question.
Of course I will. No problem.
Really? So easy?
Were you expecting a fight?
I practiced the speech.
All that practice wasted.
Wasted means for nothing?
For nothing, yeah. Sorry about that.
Is fine. I use it again.
What time's the delivery?
Between 10 and 2.
I'm in all morning. Fine.
Is it big, you ask?
I was going to, yes.
Not big. Books, mostly.
Books I can manage.
And I collect in the evening?
Anytime after 6.
After 6. I remember.
Just knock. I'm always here.
Thank you. This is very kind.
It's nothing. You do the same.
You'd do the same means for you also?
If I needed it, yeah.
Then yes, anytime, please ask.
I might, actually. Away next month.
Perfect. Now we are team?
A team. That works.
Okay. Thank you again. Good night.
Night. Oh, what's your name?
Kate. Sorry. 3 years here.